Hi there, group. I have just kind of a little question I'd like to see if we could deal with regards to Harari's book on Sapiens. All right, and I mean, he opens up the book where he talks about how 13 billion years ago we had physics, and then we had chemistry for 10 billion years, and then we had biology for almost 4 billion years, and the question is that I have is about imperatives. All right, and the question is that if we had a fire and at the base of the fire, if we put all of the chemicals on a plane, they would just run into the fire and they would burn up. It's an imperative. They couldn't possibly not do that. However, if you took all of those same chemicals and you put them into a cell, and the cell actually has the capability to move away from the fire. So the cell is not underneath the same imperatives as the chemicals. So the biological level has different imperatives. Now, if we believe that sapiens or that man belongs underneath the DNA, then we will be following the biological imperatives. But if we believe that sapiens or man actually exist at the same level as a biology and chemistry, then what we're going to see is that all of a sudden it's the historical narratives that make them different. And the historical narratives basically also kind of cut out on, so we're not bound by the biological imperatives. And it seems to me like that puts to bed the argument of a nature versus nurture, that it has to be nurture. That's my thoughts.